Alright, so I have got the audio actually off here and stuff because it's really loud and I'm actually voicing over this. But so, some of you that may know, you're like, you may be able to not to do that on a mandolin, what he's got going on there. Some of you guys are going to think, well, that's wrong, it's crazy. I'm just experimenting here. I seen on Reddit where I watched a video over a guy, that's what he did. So that was kind of one of the things with that. So actually, I had just wanted to see here. This is an experiment of what I'm working on, getting the neck removed. The neck removed quite well. Only reason I did that is I needed a spot to go. I needed a spot to go at this with, and the back just had no spot really that was good enough to go at this, and I needed to find a spot, and that really helped me remove. So here I have the tongue removed and all that good stuff. I got that heated up and got it off. And so now I'm just taking a blade in there. I know it's kind of not focusing the best, and just seeing how far I can stick in, seeing where it goes. And that's just experimenting here is all. Is I'm trying to do is go through and see what needs to be adjusted or what needs to be. So, I mean, it's a pretty interesting. Next, it's just going to be one of those interesting things. But I mean, I'm proud of the work that got done and stuff like that. So I don't know how good you can see or hear me. I will get some close-up shots, but the neck did get removed. So right now I'm just cleaning up on the inside. Right now I'm just cleaning up on the inside. It was a bit painstaking process to get it because this is so small, and it just but we got the neck removed. The glue that was in there was old. This thing is an old mandolin, and this thing needed some proper TLC. So right now I just got my chisel here, and I'm just cleaning up. That's all I'm doing is just cleaning up a little bit. I'm not reshaping anything, nothing like that. I'm not cutting, taking any material off. I'm just cleaning up the excess glue that was there, just trying to make it look nice to have a starting point. And you always want your chisels sharp. Sharp stuff. This goes out to my buddy Jeff. He's wanted me to see more video content of what I do. So I'm just cleaning up. So I'm just getting in there. Cleaning up. I made a mess here. So I'll bring the camera, show you. So I don't know how well you guys can see this. But this is what we're looking at here. So, dovetail joint. That chip of wood was already chipped out of there, by the way. For those of you that, gonna say something, but, I mean, this is a test. I've never took apart a mandolin neck. I've done guitar work. I've done work on other stuff, but I've never took out a mandolin before. So, this is kind of a new thing for me, working on the mandolin. It's a project to get some practice in and stuff like that. So, yeah. What is up, Frazzell family? Coming back at you here. So, we got the neck removed. As you've seen, got it cleaned up some. If it wants to focus. But yeah, so we got it cleaned up some. So, I mean, we just really trying to get this neck back into a good state. So the reason is even with the smallest bridge possible, even with a normal bridge that should come on this, the action was like dobro. This thing's old and it just needs some TLC, and that's what we're gonna do, is give it back some TLC, try to make this thing into a killer player. So that's about all I can ask for, all I can hope for, and I'm no Jerry Rose at this because he's the king of mandolins. One of the kings of mandolins. But I'm trying to learn and trying to pick up and trying to do a lot with this. So bear with me, guys. Because I'm a guitar man, But I do appreciate you all and everything y'all do. And I just want to tell you all to have a great day, great week. And make sure you like, subscribe, and share.